Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable dark mode in ProjectionLab. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can switch your workspace to a darker theme that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. Dark mode can help reduce glare, improve contrast for many users, and make long planning sessions more comfortable. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to app.projectionlab.com. Give the page a moment to load so the main interface is fully visible. You should land on the core ProjectionLab experience, where you manage scenarios, charts, and settings. Once the app has finished loading, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where the theme control lives. At the top right, look for the switch that toggles between light and dark themes. Depending on your display size, it may appear as a small toggle, a sun and moon icon, or a button that clearly references light and dark modes. This is the control you'll use to change the overall appearance of the app. Go ahead and click the switch to reveal the theme options. With the options visible, choose Dark. The moment you click Dark, the interface will update to a darker color palette. Backgrounds will shift to deep grays or blacks, text will switch to lighter tones for readability, and charts and panels will adopt a balanced contrast that's designed to be easier to scan at night or in dim settings. Nothing about your data or scenarios has changed, only the visual presentation, so you can continue working without interruption. If you're working late, consider slightly lowering your monitor brightness to complement dark mode for an even more comfortable viewing experience. If you use multiple displays, it can be helpful to keep them at similar brightness levels so your eyes aren't constantly adjusting. Should you ever prefer the original look again, the same switch at the top right lets you return to light mode at any time. A quick note on finding the control. If your browser window is very narrow, interface elements can shift to keep everything tidy. Maximizing your window or increasing the width usually brings the theme switch back into clear view. Once you know where it is, changing themes takes only a second. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in ProjectionLab. Thanks for following along, and enjoy working with a calmer, more comfortable interface.